In this video, I'll show you how to edit a scheduled post on LinkedIn. If you scheduled a LinkedIn post and now want to change the text, update the timing, or review it before it goes live, LinkedIn does let you do that. According to LinkedIn Help, you can view your scheduled posts and then use the More menu to either edit post or modify schedule. The first thing to know is that LinkedIn's current help pages describe this process mainly for LinkedIn page posts. That means this is especially relevant if you're posting as a page admin, such as a super admin or content admin. LinkedIn says scheduled page posts can be edited, rescheduled, or deleted before they are published. On desktop, sign into LinkedIn and go to your page admin view. From the left menu, click Page Posts, then click Start a Post. And LinkedIn says this opens the post preview window. From there, click the schedule icon, which opens the scheduled post area. Then click View All Scheduled Posts so you can see everything you already scheduled. Once you find the post you want to change, click the More icon. Next to it, LinkedIn says you'll then see options like Edit Post and Modify Schedule. If you choose Edit Post, you can change the content of the post. After making your updates, click Schedule again to save the revised version. If you only want to change the date or time, choose Modify Schedule instead. LinkedIn says you can pick a new date and time, and you can even enter an exact time instead of only using the default time increments. After that, click Next and then Schedule to save the new timing. If you're using mobile, the flow is very similar. Open your page admin view, go to Page Posts, tap Post, then tap the schedule icon to open scheduled posts. From there, open View All Scheduled Posts, tap the More icon on the post you want, and choose either Edit Post or Modify Schedule. LinkedIn says both options are available on mobile too. One helpful thing to remember is that LinkedIn also says page admins can view, edit, reschedule, and delete posts scheduled by other page admins. So if you're working on a team, you may still be able to manage a scheduled post even if someone else created it, depending on your admin role. And if you don't see the option you expected, check whether you're in the correct page admin area. LinkedIn's help pages for scheduled post editing are tied to page management, so this is not the same as simply editing a published personal post from your feed. LinkedIn has a separate help page for editing posts that are already published. So again, to edit a scheduled post on LinkedIn, open your page admin view, go to Page Posts, open the Scheduled Post section, tap or click View All Scheduled Posts, then use the More menu to choose Edit Post or Modify Schedule, make your changes, and save the post again. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.